Keep your body straight and don't drop your hips. So we can pull it to the stack center and they have the do the step and another right now. And there was stack and there was hand probe up.
To turn. And you down. And you down. There. Line saying dan make kane. When the duck san actor. And the another.
Something dang. I'm not charming. I'm gonna gear that. Try to tame.
Start with shoulder rolls, just loosen things up. Then gently twist your torso from side to side.
And take a deep breath in and out. All right, now your body is ready.
No head. And the fill. Walk your mind to the trave. One back.
Tômชันนะครับขุมก้ามฝันเบอร์เลยนะครับตบแล้วก็นี่บิญญันนะครับผมจะมีทางใดนะครับ
And thinking it's good, you're gonna segment to words arraying, which we song, and thinking the words you're going to chin. And saving you're gonna lies if you in it.
Thinking that Hughes off the chauffeurs and dick and shaking him better pack. Mrs. Podcast picking the expect to white and get Tingus God war. We're taking that the white.
Hold your stance. You must maintain stability. Do not yield to the shaking.
That means it's working. Stay there, stay there. Don't give up.
And that's it. If you do this workout daily, you will start seeing changes in your body.
Stronger chest, better arms, tighter core. No gym needed. Follow me for more real workouts that actually.
And remember, Humpy, consistency is everything. See you in the next workout.
ऊपर की कमर तकर करते हम के बलक दूंगा डाल दी है बहुत स्टीडन करते मला से झड़का फेता है तो थीनबाने के वाने तीन